There's so many avenues nowadays that you can take towards making money, but these two words get thrown around a lot, and that is passive income. Now, I honestly don't know what it is, but like when it comes to talking about passive income, it's like the creme de la creme of making money. Everybody wants to do it, but I want to first off start by saying passive income is not always truly passive. So these income ideas are gonna require you to do some work up front before you can get it started. So the way I'm going to be categorizing them or rating these ideas are based off of 3 factors. Number 1 is going to be what it takes up front. So what do you actually have to do up front? Is it going to be a lot of work? Is it going to be a little work? Number 2 is going to be the ability to make money passively from this and to scale it up to make more money. And number 3 is going to be your ability to maintain this actual income producing idea, and how hard is it to maintain and continue the flow of money coming. So what's up? I'm Brandon Young. On this channel, I teach you how to make, save, and invest money. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. Now, number 1 on this list is going to be digital products. A lot of you may not want to admit it, but we all have skills that we're really good at, and you can turn that skill into somewhat of a digital product. Whether that be an ebook, whether that be a course, whatever the digital product may be, you are able to sell your skills and earn some income, and not only income, passive income on a monthly basis. Now, in regards to the upfront amount of time it will take to get started with this digital product, I'm gonna give this a 5 on my scale because yes, it's going to take a tremendous amount of time to get this started. But once you get all that done, you get the recording done, you get all the materials all set up, this is only gonna be a one-time thing. You're only gonna have to do this once. When it comes to making money passively from this, you will be able to make a considerable amount. Let's just say you're selling your course for $100 and that's on the low end. You're just looking to maybe make a couple hundred from it every single month. You legit only need 1 to 5 customers every single month to sell this product. And depending how your marketing is, if you're on maybe YouTube or you have a lot of leads coming in, that's easily possible to make $100 a month passively from selling your digital product. In regards to maintaining this is relatively easy because you've already done the hard work by making this course or making this digital product once. So literally all you need to do is continue to market it or keep mentioning it in your videos or your content, and you will continually get the leads coming in. So I give the maintaining part a 1 because it's easy to maintain this. Now, number 2 on the list is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of you may not know what affiliate marketing is, but a lot of you do it on a daily basis. When you are the shameless plug, you out here, oh, yo, try this product, yo, I did try this product, it was pretty cool. A lot of you are recommending products, but you're not getting paid to do it. You just openly recommend it. Now, a lot of companies allow you to become affiliates to their products, and when their product sells and you recommend it to someone and they buy it, they will break you off a little commission, you know, for your trouble for helping them sell their product. That's why on the upfront part, I will give it like a 1 or a 2 because you don't have to physically make the product. You're not over there making the material and stuff. You legit need to just work on marketing it and getting, you know, some of your people to purchase the product. So I feel upfront, that's not gonna require a lot of you. You just need to figure out a way to get your leads in, get the marketing right so somebody can purchase this product you're marketing. In regards to making money from this passively, I give this a 4 on the list because the amount of money that you can make from this is endless. It's kind of similar to your digital products. As long as somebody has a market for the product that they're looking for, you will always have a customer to buy it. So easily, you can keep making money passively from this. You can easily make $100 to $200 passively. It's a no-brainer. And in regards to maintaining this affiliate marketing, as long as you are consistently putting out the content, consistently marketing it, it's easy to maintain because literally you can just make a video like a YouTube video, just simply shameless plug the video, put your affiliate link in there, and boom, you're marketing it. Now, number 3 on the list is gonna be YouTube. Now, making content is obviously, it's not for the weak, but making YouTube videos can be an easy way to produce some passive income. income for yourself. Now, usually the way YouTube creators make money is something called AdSense, is where advertisers, they usually put ads on our videos, and in return, get a little something off the back end. YouTube gets their half, but we get our half as well, just depending on how many views we're getting and our CPM, etc., etc. Now, in regards to how long it'll take you up front, I'll give this a 5. Similar to your digital products, it is a lot of work. You gotta make scripts, you gotta create content on a daily basis, you gotta edit it. It's a lot of work up front. But the good thing about it is your video can live on the YouTube platform for as long as YouTube exists. So you can consistently make money over and over every single month. As long as that video is up, got ads on it, it will consistently make money. It's just as long as it's getting the views in and you have a nice CPM on it, which is cost per milli, you'll make money from your AdSense. Now, in regards to making money passively, like I said, since your video lives on the YouTube platform, it's gonna consistently make money just as long as the video stays up and your video is getting good views. That's why it's important to make good content that people are consistently watching. And in regards to maintaining it, I'm gonna give this a 4, because yes, you can make a couple videos and those videos do well in the beginning stages, but after a while your videos will begin to die down and the amount of money that you're making will decrease. So it's important that you continually make content over and over to keep your viewers engaged, keep those views up, so that money keeps running and coming in passively. The next thing that we have on the list is lead generation. Now, one of the biggest issues that small businesses have is obviously they don't get enough business. They don't bring enough money in. With that being said, you can create some lead generations to get some leads coming into their business, and in return, they can pay you. This can be, maybe they pay you every single time they get a lead and they'll pay you a part of the job that they take, or maybe you do a flat fee from, generating leads for that month. A couple years ago, I used to make lead generation websites. This is where I would create a website for a specific niche. This may be like a landscaping company, or this may be a handyman website. And I would make these websites, get them ranked on Google, and in return, I would get some leads to those sites because people are looking for that service to be done. And then in the back end, I would go ahead and partner up with maybe a handyman, the landscape company, whatever niche I was creating these websites for. I would try to team up with that specific niche job, and I would go ahead and sell them my leads, or I would give them a flat fee. So they would give me money on a monthly basis and they would get the leads, because I don't know how to landscape. I don't know how to, do handyman stuff. I mean, I kind of do, but not really. But they know how to do it, but they're not getting the significant leads that they need to make money on a monthly basis. So up front, this is gonna require a lot of work. It may require you to make a website, to get it ranked on Google, to do some SEO, which is search engine optimization, which helps you to rank your website higher so you get more traffic to the website. So it may require maybe like a 4 or 5 up front. But in regards to making money passively, as long as that website is getting leads and you have your client that is getting the leads, that money is pretty much passive, because you're not really doing anything to the website on a monthly basis other than just making sure that the domain is functional, and domains usually buy them for a year, making sure the hosting is good. But other than that, you're literally just keeping the website alive and you got the leads coming in. So making money passively, give that like around a 2, because you're going to consistently make money as long as the leads are coming in. And in regards to maintaining it, I'm going to give it a 2, because it's easy to maintain a website as long as the leads are coming in. You don't have to do anything significant to maintain the website, because all you're doing is having the people contact you and you're just referring that contact to the contractor or business that you're referring the leads to. So it's pretty straightforward. How can I forget this one? The next one we have on the list is investing. A lot of people make investing very hard, and it doesn't need to be hard. In order to make money passively through stocks, you can just invest in dividend paying stocks. Now, a dividend essentially is when the company is making some profit and they don't take that profit and just use it on the company, they give the money back to you in the form of a dividend. So they're pretty much taking the money out their profits and handing some of the profits to you in the form of a dividend. Simple, cut and dry. Now maybe you have a share that pays per stock, they'll give you about 10, 15 cents. Per stock that you have, they'll give you 15 cents in the form of a dividend. Yes, it will take a tremendous amount of money to make a decent amount, but in turn, this is passive income. You are making money on a monthly basis through this means. And if you're dollar cost averaging, which means you're investing a same amount of money on a daily basis every single month, shouldn't be a problem because you're gonna keep investing, you're gonna keep putting money in, and in return, you're going to get that dividend payment back. So it's passive. In regards to upfront fees and stuff, I give us pretty much a 1 because it's literally just going on a brokerage and buying the stock, the dividend stock, and easy as that. In regards to making money passively from this, as long as you hold the stock, you're gonna get the dividend. So I give this a 1 as well. And in regards to maintaining, I give this a 1. It's as easy as holding the stock, and as long as you hold the stock, you will receive that dividend. Just as long as they don't change the dividend percentage or they don't completely get rid of the dividend paying part, you're good. Next one we have on this list is one of my favorite, which is real estate. Now, in regards to this example, we're not talking about REITs, we're talking about full-on physical real estate. Now, in regards to real estate up front, I'm gonna be honest, it's like a 5 or a 6. It is hard. There's a lot of transactions, a lot of things that you have to get done to get into real estate. I'm gonna give this a 5. It's pretty hard. But once you have purchased the real estate, you get the tenants in and you're getting that money in, you're paying off your expenses. At the end of the month, you're gonna be getting somewhat of a profit. If you've done all your numbers correctly, you should be getting somewhat of a profit. This could be $100, this can be $600, but for the most part, any landlord is making between $100 to maybe $400 to $500 passively through having real estate. So in regards to this being passive, I'm going to give this a 1 because if you have no issues, which you're probably gonna have some issues because as a landlord myself, I can tell you, there's gonna be issues that you run into. But if you've done all your screening and everything properly, you should get a tenant that they're gonna pay their money on time, or if not on time, they will make sure that their rental payment is paid. So it's pretty much passive. And as long as they're paying and you're able to get your expenses and all that paid, you will be taking some money home at the end of the month. In regards to maintaining, I'm gonna also give this a 1 or a 2 because if you have a property management company in place, you're pretty much not really doing anything from the property management side. They pretty much handle all that and they just hand you your check at the end of the month. But if you're self-managing it, pretty much just need to make sure the tenant is okay, that their unit is up to date, everything is looking all good. In return, most of the time you won't have any issues, which I can say that's been the case for myself for now. But you know, as time goes on, I'm pretty sure I may run into that. But as it stands right now, as long as you help your tenant and you do what you gotta do, they will pay. Last one we have on the list is membership communities. Now, most of the time, this does go hand in hand with your digital products. If you do offer a digital product, most of the time you do have a close-knit community that you're communicating with to speak about the particular skill that you're doing in your digital product. For example, I see many communities now that are trying to help people get into tech. You may create a membership community that is specifically made towards helping people get into tech, and people may pay you a monthly subscription fee to get all your tips, tricks, skills into getting into the technical field, as well as they'll be with a close-knit group of people that are in the same similar interests. They're looking to do the same thing, so they have similar interests. In regards to an upfront fee, maybe like a 1 or a 2 because you're not really doing much. You may just purchase one of the platform licenses, but besides that, as long as you have the people, they're coming onto the platform, you're good. In regards to making money passively, I'm gonna give this a 1 or a 2 because as long long as you're providing value and helping the people that are a part of your membership community, they will continually give you money. It's a trade-off. You provide value, they give you money. Easy. In regards to maintaining, I would say this is probably a 1 or a 2 as well, because all you really got to do is maintain the platform, make sure you're giving updates to the users, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. As long as you keep giving that value and maintaining everything, the people will keep coming back. But what do you think of these passive income ideas? Would you do some of these, or do you have some other ones that you would add to the list? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to go and give a like. Maybe give one of my other videos a watch. I'm Brandon Young. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.